So we finally have some actual information about the Z Fold, the Z Tri-Fold, the Samsung Tri-Foldable phone. Yeah, let's talk about it. First off, it is coming out next month. It is coming out December 5th, which is awesome. It's still supposed to be in America and across the world, so this is a universal release. I say that because we haven't had that confirmed yet. So we're kind of still in that gray area right there. It says features Samsung Electronics first 3-speed foldable smartphone. External display is in the middle. Foldable form in order of left and right screens. This might sound weird to read, by the way. And the reason why it sounds weird to read is because this is what is coming from. So this is obviously it's actually Korean, this language here. But yeah, so this is translated from Korean to American English. Why did I say American English? That's not just like an American. I don't know. Anyway, this, when folded 6.5 inches, normal smartphone level. Play when unfolded 10 inches, tablet PC level. Don't know if I'd say PC level personally, but okay, I mean, to all their own. 5600 millihertz battery. Dang. Makes sense, tri-foldable phone, absolutely humongous, is gonna have, most likely a humongous battery. They're not holding back on that one, are they, baby? Volume, 20 to 30,000 units. Release countries, Korea, China, and etc. Obviously, South Korea is where Samsung's actually from, so it makes sense. $3,000 inside and out. So $3,000. Okay, I don't know why they did USD for that. I expected this to be South Korean currency, but whatever. $3,000, not bad. Not bad for a very, very expensive tri-foldable cell phone. I say not bad, not because that's a good price. That's kind of the going price for tri-foldable cell phones is $3,000. So that's just pretty much how it is. Could it be less? Absolutely. Would it ever be less? No. It's $3,000. That's pretty much just, it is what it is, Kind of get used to it at this point when it comes to tri-foldable cell phones. We got Huawei come out with one. We got this one, obviously. We got some other failed ones. But, yeah, it is what it is. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.